really understand why jealousy they actually there for inside with other world. Really, why can't we just appreciate each other? Even though say one person they climb higher and the other person they for ground. Why can't we just? The person they climb, why can't we? No, I know they use people climb.
No, I use people climb.
No, I don't need. I know if you climb person to climb. No. I will climb on my own.
You cannot.
Okay, I cannot.
Oh, I need to.
Okay. God will give me my own ladder for me to climb on my own, rather than stepping on people. Any which way, we don't come again today, Wednesday, family day. Always, I be family day.
Yes.
It just be like saying a Thursday.
Yes. With what you can't wear for body so. Now wow.
But actually, this clothes we wear, she resemble
Atilogun now.
No, not be Atilogun. Egedegbe.
Okay, all those masquerade, they welcome masquerade come out. Okay.
One thing where you need to know where they out there be say people where they wear this clothes now princess now they be. So as for me to put it on, then you know say na princess now be. So I don't need to actually argue.
Egedegbe.
Anyway, we get one Kajad guest inside the studio today. He go actually introduce by himself. In a person where they took hands for inside plenty things, but I go tell you later. But my name is Sirimen Uvi Ehigiamusoy, and the ladies them wonderful as usual, smart ladies them. They go introduce themselves one by each. Even though say now watch, I need to say it. Yeah.
For the first time,
she talk and say wash. Yes.
Wash.
Yes. Because if I'm not talking, I'm going to attack me.
Judge you on all the washing you've been washing since we started this program.
Okay, I'm not going to talk him again.
Then boy,
Anyway, my people, welcome to Talk Talk. This one on Wednesday, family day, and my name is Betiana Unweli.
Guess you're not going to talk about yourself.
Are they waiting for to finish?
No, now you. The camera is on you now.
Oh, okay. Now we're done. My name now okay Uzueshi. Anything else?
Nothing else.
Okay, my name now Maka Okudia for Una. Welcome to Talk, and today now our family day. Oh God, I love Wednesdays and Thursdays because I look towards Friday.
Oh, weird.
Yes, why like that?
Allow Betiana enjoy her Friday.
I not pick Friday.
Okay, they like Thursday.
Oh,
in anticipation
because
of
they like
to
Friday. Oh, okay. All right, Nadia, my own name still remain Queen B or
I really don't understand what you and Betiana the drag Amaka.
Me
drag
Amaka.
We stop that. What's with that? No start.
Me drag Amaka. I'll chop give Amaka remain.
Cool afternoon.
Shebi una see her.
Wait till they see.
It just be like second to the last and last born they fight for inside house.
The first and last.
That's so it
because last one they know their position for family.
That's so they light up. All this last bonding.
Maybe want to put your house in order. I don't get it.
When the matter pass your power, you can just sit down and look.
All right, no problem. We could just enter waiting day hot for today. Since we get Kajad guests inside the studio, all of us go put out inside the mirror of today. Yes, Kajad guests. It just a little better now. What's happened?
No,
too fine.
Oh! You see?
I talk as if the kind grace Betiana they get.
She got the shame. She's shaming shy. She got the shaming shy. I hear Betiana shame.
No, it actually they ginger himself to gather the pigeon because they used to speak in pigeon, and then in the middle of 4 days we say once you just do mistake like
who ask you?
They will kill somebody.
Who asked you to defend them?
Okay, ask me. You ask me about
okay.
As I tell you, say she fine. Wait till you be that. No, they tell us me she try help my ministry.
But you not tell me she defend you.
He tell me you're not just here.
Yeah. Okay.
When two minds don't they talk to each other, you don't need to see lips move.
Yes.
I
don't understand. Okay, this particular guest, you go to come out inside. I go to guide you come out. All right, our first story for today concerns what they happen for inside Zimbabwe. Now they say Zimbabwe national, they don't sentence him to 18 years for inside prison.
Only.
Why? Sake of saying kill a girlfriend and he can't eat her heart.
Ew.
Yeah,
Now they say Andrew Chimboza, 35, a national of Zimbabwe, who after killing his victim, eat the victim heart, said they don't sentence him to 18 years in prison by South African court on Wednesday, according to News 24. Now they bring this one come outside. They say Chimboza killed his girlfriend and other lover, where be Umbuyi Selo and Manona, on top June 2000. That one last year, 9 killed a girlfriend, other lover. Now, they don't find them, say this man actually gets mental illness, and then they need to send them go psychiatrist and make they evaluate him well. Now, psychiatrist Tuvia Zabo also come outside tell court, says Chimboza talk, say the woman actually forced him to kill Manona, and that she also demands, say he present her with the diseased heart. That's now why he come out the heart. You can, as in the story just actually they mixed up and complicated in a way, but the entire story where you need to know, be say this man actually killed this girl and commode the heart according to waiting with the actually here. Now, I just want to ask you, at this particular point now, we know say for Nigeria, I'm not believe in mental illness. Now, you will call this one witchcraft or the person done something is wrong somewhere.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not be doctor. I'm not really but
I say talk something.
As a normal person where you be, you feel say now.
The truth is that it's not natural. There's no get as you want to look at me. Not natural. There's nobody the way. No matter as you love the person, we show the person to make you do that kind of thing. You as a person will give yourself brain say, man, this person will tell me I do this kind of thing, not they alright. In short, all of them not they alright. Apart from the person where they kick you, chopping hearts.
No, but okay. Make I first understand this thing very well. The man killed the
He killed a girlfriend
and he chopped her heart. For me, this is another case of Clifford Orji. If you remember back yesterday, yes, Clifford Orji. And we know say you get people where they exactly cannibalism. People where they chop their fellow human being body. Maybe then they specialize. Like me, I feel say okay, actually for inside chicken at the lap I like very well. And then for
why
this
you say chicken? No human being.
I is not a cannibal. But for this particular guy, if he can decide, say, okay, for inside human being a heart, I like well, but like, okay, talk, you know, they're normal. I don't want to really attribute them to witchcraft or say he gets coins, but I go say, heart. At least if I even chop him.
I don't even
why you go chop
why you even chop anything at all?
I just
heart. See, yes, that part, I don't want to talk about witchcraft. True, because nowadays we don't give witchcraft thumbs up. When naturally we fit believe say that person not for come off for your head.
No, but even psychiatrists start saying he actually know what he they do. Say not be saying
no, my own reason for saying
the person they actually chop the person they actually chop human being. If you just I don't even think and say okay, you just don't kill person carrying heart chop. Now the best part of the human being be that.
You not even cook am.
You don't cook am.
We don't know whether you cook am or not.
Hello.
We just know say you kill and chop am.
You get time to cook the bread.
If I don't see they be the stand for freezer, man, I no forget.
But you don't cook am. It's pour for freezer.
It
chop
dey roast some.
Oh shit.
Clifford Orji get hands where he roast that time.
Don't do. I don't want to hear this story. But today na Wednesday, don't spoil my appetite.
But this one no be witchcraft because witches are special of Nigeria. We say our president go win second time. E no work. So witches, maybe we no give them power where they no get.
Gonna give them witchcraft thumbs up. I beg you don't do now.
Well, you know, you want to eat somebody. How they see heart? Maybe not chicken or not tractor.
No.
You say, okay, you know
chicken
what?
Get heart.
Yes, everything
small.
gets
Yeah.
small heart.
It gets very small and chicken in the day inside. You go meet the people they kill chicken, ask them where the heart is, they go tell you because those ones they know all the parts of the human body. But you can't sit down. Cut the after you kill am, come cut am, open am, come decide okay, see the one I want to remove am, put am for mouth. It's to me, mental illness and witchcraft joined together. They all of them they relate. So now relationship in day with madness and witchcraft. Now there is the way take do this thing, but Kai. You get some case where they know. So to me, you get some case.
Amaka say cadaver. Who is it? Cadaver.
I don't know what to cadaver.
Cadaver na wetin medical people dey call dead body when they want practicalize on them.
Okay, so but me want say it gets some kind of punishment that is supposed to give some people who commit some kind of offense. No, they put them for prison. Prison don't fool. No, they jail them. That thing where you do, they go, you not go die.
An eye for an eye.
They go cut you open, collect the thing like that. Give am to dog chop. If dog go chop am. No, serious. It don't reach that time.
They will do and they go chop am one by one. She been a hard thing chop. They go first start from it too.
You go weak.
No, so that the person go dey
That's
understand.
what
So that
one
people
I
go
take
understand.
be.
If
No,
na madness,
seriously.
you go dey correct before you start to mad. You go correct.
That not go just fix back.
Prison don't fool.
For me, the only thing I know say the man actually don't colo, and we don't talk about him. For me, 24 years in prison is too small because this man
18.
actually
They even give him
18 years. It's too small because this man a mother.
With how many years be the man?
The man has how many years the man be?
They even talk. They
don't like if you see in picture,
But
the
people
picture
young.
they very gory. The man they like that kind 39 to 40. About that.
25 inside. The guy don't live in life finish for prison now. So
No. 18 is too small because people like this and they go do even
May they
worse when
forget
they
them
come
for
out.
them.
For me,
now, if anything be said, as if you enter that jail, who know whether I go clear that person they chop for them?
And also, it actually depends on the law. Within the law talk, for example, South Africa, say, or Zimbabwe, say, if you kill person, you go spend 20-something years.
Oh, okay.
It actually depends on the law.
But for me, person will kill another person, you give him 18 years. That 18 years, no day enough for the mental situation of him head to even increase.
Maybe
because
they
you put them for secluded place. Already, when you put people for secluded place, they make them colo.
Yeah.
Then you come who already they colo for inside secluded place. Now, times 2, if you come out, maybe now the person will sentence and you go straight, go first.
I tell you. Anyway, things they actually happen for inside below the world. Now, make we enter this particular next story. Now, we decide to talk for inside the show because UB Franklin and Emma Naira, they don't tire me. Yeah, they don't tire me.
They don't enter again.
Now, yes, you need to know what happened. Now, Emma Naira, for inside new interview where she do with Vanguard, she don't come outside talk plenty things. Plenty things. Now, she come outside talk, say, say, UB Franklin come outside talk, say, he don't date Emma Naira. She was too materialistic. I give her 3 million.
She starts.
No, she's first.
Now she starts. Say, no, we know. I
say we never dated.
We never date.
She go on interview.
Yes. And then UB Franklin go do your interview. Yes,
say,
I dated her, but I left her because she was...
we did so many things.
Yeah, we did so many things together. Now she don't come outside talk, say, UB and I, we no date. Okay. He said, we no date. He said, rather, now him be they terrorized me for years.
Bam.
He abused me and other members of the label with physical and verbal force. That's now why I actually leave Triple MG for the first time. Now, wait till she come outside talk, say, he claims, say, he spend money on me. But he failed to mention, say, he never give me my payment for all the tours where I don't do alongside with Nyanya. She talked plenty things, so she said the true story, it lies between me and other members of Triple MG, who they don't choose to keep their mouth shut because of fear of one man, will be UB Franklin. She talked, say, when they can't ask her about the abuse, say, say, UB Franklin, they abuse you, they beat you, like, say, tomorrow, not day. She talked, say, I know they support abuse of women or even men. That's now why I actually leave them. Say, honestly, I don't want to see my name associated with UB in any way. He said, let all these things make you just lie down now. I then move forward with my career. Now, you feel, say, the matter don't actually end like this, or within this old drama of I date you, I not date you, you spend my money, I not spend my money. Actually, they're all about. Is UB Franklin still married or engaged to Lillian? Because if now your story is still there outside, you talk about the girl where you don't date before, where you never date before, are you still engaged?
Okay.
You want to talk?
Our guest.
Yes, was answer this.
Was answer because
what do you feel
don't
about what happen?
Okay. Well, like I always say, me and all they believe, say, for this industry, things they like set like this. They say this table now brown for this industry. Look and where if you not be brown, if you be like that dress where they come out that time where they say now different colors. Now so this industry be. So I know they take anything as face value. I'm sorry, but I know they take anything at face value. Information reaching me and I'm not confirming it. I'm not saying whether I'm true or not lie. States that Ubi and Lillian are no longer engaged. Okay. So I don't know whether not true. I don't know whether not lie. But I'm not saying this whole drama starts when Ubi proposed to Lillian. You understand? And press, sometimes can carry this one go talk you, this one go talk you, for to come like say fight day where fight not really day. You understand? So I don't know. I don't know if it's something like this be or like this and not be, but wait me I know be say Ubi and Emma need to maybe they just stop talking. You don't do. You don't do. Maybe they just stop. You don't do.
Finally.
You don't do.
Needed.
Seriously, everybody just shut up. You don't do.
Don't do.
We don't hear.
You know when she talk about first talk and say, wait till happen again, don't enter again. She be the first time we will talk and she say this one talk, say he beat me, no beat me. This one to talk, you say no, we know they date. Haba. No, if you not a date, not a date. Why be saying now when we propose all this dust constant to rise? It be like say you notice that part, Abi. Why? Why am I not talk and see? Is that time say, if they abuse me, if they do this, if they do that, he waits till he propose. Question.
But this story we've been talking for morning show, and because of time, I don't get enough time to express myself. So I like.
Oh, you want to express yourself now?
Yes. I like to say they don't bring them up again for Inside Talk Talk. First of all, the question where you ask now whether the drama don't end, I tell you, if this drama end like this, me go personally stare at more because I won't get to the bottom of this case. Because like you talk, Amaka, before now, now when Ubi proposed to Lillian, Nine Emanara come out, I contact say, no, I know that Ubi. Or even if they ask you, you know, say this person don't dare engage. For me, now that time for you to say, okay, I don't want to talk about it. Nobody go chook and enter your throat say you must stop something. That's now one side. Number two, if you decide say, I know say nobody be saint. For every rumor, one article of truth go there inside. But if you can't decide, come outside, say, Ubi, they beat you, if they do, if you don't say you know value, you don't get anything from inside your time with them, if you don't come out sense. That time when you spend with Ubi don't date too much for person to they abuse you mentally, physically, and every otherwise where you don't call them so. And then concerning whether Ubi and Lillian date together, I don't do my own investigation. I know to say Lillian don't delete all their together pictures on top of Instagram, and even Ubi himself, you know, they dear. Yeah, now talk by my work, I got to do this. Yes,
wise decision.
Very wise.
Even though, and I respect the fact that before they get engaged, they really put their relationship under the low key. That's not to tell you, say they really don't want all this cha-cha-cha way don't they happen now. So I sympathize with them. If you love yourself, but another cha-cha-cha they reach me say, Ubi give another person belly.
It's possible. Ubi is a
apart
Ubi
from
person.
Emma and apart
Ubi
from
is a Ubi
Lillian.
person.
So Ubi is Ubi. So
He's urban. He's urban.
Take responsibility.
He's an animal shown. Yes.
Now you know.
He's an animal shown.
Well, for me,
he's a designer.
I would say, Emanira, shut up.
Yes.
Shut up. Just shut up. First of all, now you start this whole drama.
What's that?
Because the interview where she go do for London or where she go do. Now the same, if you say you don't want to make your name the associated with, let me speak English. You know, when I see you and Ubi named together again. The same people where Ubi introduced you to for London, now you go do interview with. The same people where him introduce you, the same marketer where promote shows and tours where wanna go, now them you go meet to go run interview. You don't want name together. This one, and then if you say they abuse you 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, then you then suppose they call woman we no get sense.
I concur.
I stand to talk that one, and
Sister,
I go fit talk am for her front if she dey. I'll talk. And then the next one, Ubi actually spend money on you because your videos. Sorry, the clothes where you they wear for videos, even the leather, now or tear, you know they wear raw leather. I go prove that one to you, yes. No girl, may God rest her soul, except Goldie. Now Goldie, they use all those kind of clothes for videos, but still, you know, gree blow. The guy don't spend money rich. You know, blow. If not me be you, see, let's be honest, I feel say she did very good as backup singer for Inyanya. She for remain there, they chop her money. You don't need the face. When time reach, you go come outside because sometimes no be your time, but you go one day there. And record labels again, going back to this one, you must understand where they put your money into. It gets some people, you know what, my artist needs somebody to back them up. Because you be girl, okay, may you be the chick for the record label. Because if you check Maven, sorry sir, they bring Maven inside this one. We get some other 2 guys waiting for Maven, but nobody know them because they never drop song. What thing those guys they do? For backup stage, they drop the chorus as the person they say, the Robuchi. They hold mic to drop them because that time, Dr. Sid need to move, and that time to move and to dance and to sing together, it's not easy. It's not easy. So now people will understand the business. I beg, if you want to open record label, ask questions. Do them the right way because if you not reach this one. And again, Manira, you go always get another record label. We go on push you. Close your legs. Thank you.
Well, for me, the final
not that you say she opened her legs before.
No worries.
No,
for the thing to they pain her for her to they go over and over and
that
over.
means say you get
that means
something.
they do something. I'm
But on
sorry.
the final note, Ubi no be the sole owner of Triple MG. So
Yeah,
Inyanya,
Inyanya,
please say
both of them
something. I
together.
wait. I won't hear waiting Inyanya get to talk.
No,
Whether-
Inyanya should
whether-
talk.
no,
He should do
I want to
that.
know whether
He
Ubi
shouldn't.
they actually molest Inyanya join because all of them they
For me, Inyanya not talk anything.
We talk.
And you, Emanira, shut the fuck.
We end up.
And I respect it.
Emanira, want maybe
Inyanya,
use words
please don't
I'm not supposed to use. But Emanira, time don't reach for you to close your mouth. And you be frankly, I beg, not reply her.
Yeah.
Just let them
Make
end like this. Make it just end like this. We are tired of your drama.
And the story ended here.
And the story ended here.
I just started watching. I remember when I finished.
No. Let's go. Right, no waiting. We're going to need to pass small break. When we come back after this break, we go do interview proper with our own OK in at the building. Will they come back?
Okay, they could.